Салам всем! Сегодня в нашем выпуске вы увидите, хорошо ли иностранцы знают казахстанских знаменитостей. Баян Синтаева, Геннадий Головкин, Димаш Кудайберген. Да что уж там, иностранцы поговорят даже о самом президенте страны. Поехали!
Привет, Казахстан!
Prepárate! Let me see you jump! Prepárate! Get ready! Get! Brilla! Ahí baila! Todo el mundo! Let me see you jump!
He is a fashionist, I guess. The way he dressing the suit, it's quite perfect.
He got a big nose. Maybe not Asian.
The eyes, but jawline, combination.
Probably I can see a politeness in his eyes. I don't think so that he is young gangster. He looks very. He's smiling a bit, so I don't think so that he is gangster.
Looks like a gangster.
Peleador, box, ¿no?
Boxing?
¿Sí?
I don't know him.
O futbolista. Un futbolista que va a ir de fiesta.
She think he's a soccer player who has a party.
Maybe he can be a gangster, but it's very stereotyped to put like a person that is a gangster just because of his look. I don't think that I will say that he's a gangster.
Even though this picture he's playing tennis, but for sure he's not the athlete. Yeah, because according to his age,
Yes.
I guess like he's some kind of politician or a chairman in a big company.
He might be about 50 years old, maybe older, and quite famous. I can see the crowd behind of him.
Is your president?
But I don't know him.
Yeah, I know him. Yeah. So wow, just know that he do tennis. Surprising.
Yeah, but when I saw it's not athletes because the shape is seems to
come
be
on.
retired person.
President.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
He looks fairly athletic for his age.
I think he's famous. Tennis player. She thinks he's rich. He's older than the others, but he seems really happy playing tennis. Maybe he's winning.
This man is like a star, I guess, because from this picture he used makeup.
Student, academic, fairly smart looking. I would say slightly effeminate. Got quite large set lips.
Yes.
He's got a pair of glasses which he's not using to read the book. Don't know why that is.
Do you like him? So he's not handsome, you think?
So yeah, not bad, not good. No, I can't critic someone first. Come on.
Probably will be from China or from South Korea.
Is a she or a he? I think it's she. It's a woman, but I'm not quite sure. What do you think?
Woman. No. Es que la playera.
Male or female?
Hombre o mujer. No, hombre. Man.
And?
Man. No, los lentes se me hacen de mujer.
Female.
Okay.
She think it's a female.
What about you?
Me?
Yeah.
I think it's a guy, yeah, a man. But I'm not sure. He or she had a really girly lips, right?
Sí.
But I'm not sure.
Maybe she's a student, or maybe she's a teacher as well.
Yeah, but he also look like Thai actor as well.
Korea, for
Yeah,
me,
he's
he
like-
remind me K-pop
Korea.
Maybe this is a gangster.
So it's a sportsman. I'm not sure what sport.
Maybe he's a teacher for martial arts. Yeah, I think so.
Maybe a fighter, well, some sport, I don't know, taekwondo or something like that.
He might be a model, or might be actor, or model, actress, or singer, maybe, because she seems to be really like confident in taking a picture.
So-so. Yeah, so-so.
Yes, so.
So-so, nothing bad, nothing good. All I know is, okay, she's model, but she's not my type.
She might be young as well. 20, 27.
I think she's beautiful.
Ella sí es famosa.
She thinks she is famous. What else? ¿Qué más?
Sexy.
Sexy, definitely. Yes. She has an amazing eyes.
I don't know why his face sounds a little bit familiar, but don't know if she's quite famous or not. Yeah, looks kind of Asian, but at the same time doesn't look like Asian. Looks like a little Latin girl.
Would you marry her?
Would I marry her? No, she's too beautiful for me.